Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use the HQ Workshop service reminder system. So this service reminder system is given for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the service schedule, vehicle profile and part number to add new transactions. These three must be entered before you continue with your dashboard. Here in the screen you will see the engine oil for Nissan Sunny. So if you want to change the average days to 120, you can do that. Or just press OK once you have completed. Go to the parts, make sure that spare parts will have the engine oil as the category. Because later on when you enter your service record, you need to give the system the category. Parts will be listed according to the category, so that's why it's very important that you put engine oil as the category. You can also use the lookup to select the engine